International Criminal Court. What exactly is it? What is its role? And is it truly international? Let's find out. The court began its work in 2003, but its treaty, the Rome Statute, was adopted in July 1998. More than 120 states are party to the Rome Statute, but that doesn't include the US, Russia, India, Israel, or China. The court aims to deal with the most serious crimes: genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and the crime of aggression.
This footage showing British troops torturing Iraqi prisoners in 2003 was one of the first in a series of images revealing a culture of impunity amongst UK forces occupying Iraq between 2003 and 2009. Following a 6-year preliminary examination, the International Criminal Court's lead prosecutor concluded in December 2020 that there was a reasonable basis to believe British troops had committed war crimes and torture.
ومارسوا بحقي كل أساليب التعذيب والتعذيب النفسي والجسدي.
The preliminary examination also raised credible allegations of rape and murder. Nevertheless, the ICC decided to abandon its inquiry. The ICC decided to pursue one case and not the other, has reignited claims that the court has an African bias. Not all countries are on board with being investigated.
As far as America is concerned, the ICC has no jurisdiction, no legitimacy, and no authority.
We will provide no assistance to the ICC, and we certainly will not join the ICC. For all intents and purposes, the ICC is already dead to us.
We will take all necessary measures to protect our citizens from this renegade, unlawful, so-called court.
Today, 17th of March 2023, the International Criminal Court has issued 2 warrants of arrest in the Ukraine situation. For Vladimir Putin, President of the Russian Federation, and for Maria Lvova-Belova, Commissioner of the Russian President for Children's Rights, for the alleged war crimes of deportation of children from Ukrainian occupied territories into the Russian Federation. It is forbidden by international law for occupying powers to transfer civilians from the territory they live in to other territories. Children enjoy special protection under the Geneva Convention. The contents of the warrants are secret in order to protect victims. The ICC attaches great importance to the protection of victims, especially children. Nevertheless, the judges of the chamber dealing with this case decided to make the existence of the warrants public in the interest of justice and to prevent the commission of future crimes. This is an important moment in the process of justice before the ICC. The judges have reviewed the information and evidence submitted by the prosecutor and determined that there are credible allegations against these persons for the alleged crimes. The ICC is doing its part of work. As a court of law, the judges issued arrest warrants. Their execution depends on international cooperation.